One and all, I am SK Rehan, studying in ninth grade in Akash Educational Institutions, High School, Nalgonda. I am standing here to tell about Indian Space Research Program. Indian Space Research Program is conducted under the authority of ISRO. ISRO is started in 1962. It was a very successful program. ISRO launched many spacecrafts like Aditya L1, Chandrayaan and Mission Mangalyaan. I am standing here to tell about Chandrayaan. Chandrayaan is a first successful mission to land in moon. It was launched in 22nd October 2008. It was developed and designed by Indian Space Research Organization, and ISRO recently launched the Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 was launched in 14th July 2023 and landed in south pole of the moon in August 23rd, 2023. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to me to tell you about speech of ISRO.